Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Now let's see. Now firstly, let's see the video to see the regulation before starting class.
iSMART học tiếng Anh qua môn toán và khoa học. Hệ thống bổ trợ tiếng Anh trực tuyến ITO được ra đời nhằm nâng cao khả năng tự học tại nhà. Hệ thống được cung cấp hoàn toàn miễn phí cho các em học sinh khi học iSMART với các tính năng đặc biệt như báo cáo học tập, phụ huynh theo dõi kết quả học tập của con theo từng ngày, bổ trợ kiến thức tiếng Anh trực tuyến, học sinh dễ dàng ôn tập lại nội dung được học trên lớp, trò chơi kiến thức, tạo động lực học tập giúp kiến thức được truyền tải một cách sinh động, bổ sung kiến thức nâng cao nhằm rèn luyện kiến thức cho các kỳ thi quốc tế.
Hello everyone. Xin kính chào các bậc phụ huynh và các con học sinh yêu quý. Lớp học của chúng ta hiện tại đang diễn ra trên nền tảng Zoom webinar, và để đảm bảo chất lượng buổi học được diễn ra một cách tốt nhất, các con tập trung hoàn toàn vào cô giáo và bài giảng, thì cô sẽ tắt mic, giới hạn hiển thị màn hình, nên các con sẽ chỉ nhìn thấy cô và bài học của chúng ta. Khi nào cô gọi các con thì cô sẽ bật mic để các con có thể trả lời câu hỏi. Kính mong các vị phụ huynh và các con học sinh lưu ý ạ.
iSMART học tiếng Anh qua môn toán và khoa học. Hệ thống bổ trợ tiếng Anh trực tuyến ITO được ra đời nhằm nâng cao khả năng tự học tại nhà. Hệ thống được cung cấp hoàn toàn miễn phí cho các em học sinh khi học iSMART với các tính năng đặc biệt như báo cáo học tập, phụ huynh theo dõi kết quả học tập của con theo từng ngày, bổ trợ kiến thức tiếng Anh trực tuyến, học sinh dễ dàng ôn tập lại nội dung được học trên lớp, trò chơi kiến thức, tạo động lực học tập giúp kiến thức được truyền tải một cách sinh động, bổ sung kiến thức nâng cao nhằm rèn luyện kiến thức cho các kỳ thi quốc tế.
Sorry. Hello, everyone. So welcome all of you to iSMART homeschooling class. Yeah. Right. Everyone. So firstly, do you want to sing a song? Yes. Now listen to a song and sing together. Okay. Look at the screen. Yes. Birds song. Okay. Let's go.
I am a bird, tweet, tweet, tweet. I spread my wings, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rustle my feathers, tweet, and start to sing, tweet, tweet, tweet. I lay an egg, tweet, tweet, tweet. I have a beak, tweet, tweet, tweet. My bones are like tweet, tweet, tweet. Yes, I'm unique, tweet, tweet, tweet. Not all birds can fly. Not all birds eat worms. When somebody asks you why, you can call them birds. You say they're birds, tweet, tweet, tweet. They've all got wings, tweet, tweet. They all have feathers, tweet, tweet, and chirp and sing, tweet, tweet, tweet. Birds all lay eggs, tweet, 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 and all have beaks, tweet, tweet. Their bones are like tweet, tweet, tweet. Birds are unique, tweet, tweet, tweet. Now, which bird am I? I have long legs, my feathers pink. I bend my neck to get a drink. Which bird am I? Now, do you know?
You know?
That's right, you've got it. Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Now, which bird am I? I cannot fly, but I can run. The biggest bird under the sun. Which bird am I? Do you know which?
You know?
You've got it right, I'm an ostrich.
Ah, ostrich.
Now, which bird am I? I love to swim, I live on ice. Fish for my dinner is so nice. Which bird am I? Guess and you'll win. No, I can't fly, I'm a penguin.
Yeah, penguin.
I am a bird, tweet, tweet, tweet. I spread my wings, tweet, tweet, tweet. Rustle my feathers, tweet, and start to sing, tweet, tweet, tweet. I lay an egg, tweet, tweet, tweet. I have a beak, tweet, tweet, tweet. My bones are like tweet, tweet, tweet. Yes, I'm unique, tweet, tweet, tweet.
Okay, so everyone, do you like this song? Yes. So now, let's play a small game to review the lesson. Now, everyone look at the screen. Everyone, can you see the questions on the screen? Now, look at the questions and choose the correct answer. Yes or no. Number 1, do you like birds? Yes. And number 2, feathers, how birds to keep warm or cool? Yes. No. Okay, so I can see your answers, everyone. Wow. More than 100 answers. Very good, all of you. Number 2, be careful. Feathers help birds to keep warm or cool. Yes or no? Okay, 150 answers. Good. Yeah. Okay, so now let's count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. everyone. So stop. Yeah, time's up, everyone. Now, let's check your results. So number one, most of you like birds, right? Some of you don't like birds. Yeah, 17 people don't like birds. Now, so I would like to hear from Hiền Anh now. Hiền Anh, do you like birds? Yes or no?
Yes.
Let's say, yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Trần Bảo Lâm nào. Birds?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Đỗ Công Kỳ, can you? The same question. Birds?
Yes, I do.
Very good. Thank you. Now, number two, help birds to keep warm or cool. So everyone, yes or no? Now, Trần Bảo Linh, can you? Trần Bảo Linh? Trần Bảo Linh, are you there? Minh Hiếu nào? Minh Hiếu, can you? Trần Bảo Linh?
Yes, I do.
Number two, Bảo Linh ơi. Question number two, feather help birds to keep warm or cool. So yes or no?
No.
No? So now, let's translate this sentence into Vietnamese, okay? Bộ lông giúp cho các loài chim ấm áp, hoặc là mát mẻ hơn, hoặc là thấy mát hơn. So is yes or no, everyone? Hoàng Tuấn Minh nào? Hoàng Tuấn Minh, can you? Question number two, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So the correct answer is yes. Now, Vũ Trâm Anh, help me please to read. Trâm Anh nào. Read the sentence. Feathers help birds.
Yes.
Con đọc lại câu này giúp cô nào. Feathers
Help
birds to keep warm cool. Okay, thank you. So everyone, you did a good job. Yes. So now, let's start our lesson today, everyone. Okay. Now let's watch a video. Nice. So what can you see, everyone? Yes, right. How many birds are there? Like little parrots, right? How many? 2. Okay. So let's see who.
Hey guys, friends shouldn't fight.
Shouldn't fight.
We are not friends, we are brothers.
So everyone, they are brothers. Yeah, brothers. Yeah.
I am Ricky, and this is my brother, Rio.
So Ricky and Rio. Let's say hello, Ricky. Hello, Rio. Okay.
Brothers? You don't look alike.
Yeah, I was adopted by his parents when I was a little bird. So we look different. The feathers on my...
Yeah, so everyone, let's say the first one, feather. Whole class, let's say feather. Good. And this one is the...
Feather.
Yeah, feather. And then here is a head. Head. Good.
My head and body are yellow.
And this one is
Body.
okay. Whole class, let's say body. Yeah, well done.
But his are red.
The feathers on my wings are yellow.
Okay. You can see on the screen, wings. Now, everyone, can you say wings?
Wings.
Good job. Đỗ Nhật Linh. Đỗ Nhật Linh, can you? Đỗ Nhật Linh nào? Trung Phong, Nguyễn Trung Phong, can you? Wings. Trung Phong, can you repeat?
Wings.
Well done. Tùng Lâm and Dương Bảo Nhi. Let's say wings.
Wings.
Perfect.
But his are green.
Red and green, right?
There are some more differences between us. Can you see them?
You see the differences?
Let me see. We both have blue tails.
Okay. So everyone, Rio and Ricky have this blue tail. Okay. Put your tongue. Yeah. Put your tongue up. Let's say tail.
Tail.
Wow. Well done. Good job, Khánh Linh and Trần Thị Thanh Diệp. Okay, let's say good.
But your tail is longer.
Yeah,
Your legs are
longer,
yellow,
right?
but Rio's are red.
The next one is leg. Everyone, let's say leg.
Leg.
Good job. Hoàng Minh Khôi, Minh Hùng, can you? Leg.
Leg.
Good job. Lê
Leg.
Phương Chi, Lương Thục
Leg.
Quyên, let's say.
Leg.
Very good. Mai Phương,
Leg.
Thi Mạnh, can you? Leg. Good job. Yeah. Now, the next.
Oh, and Rio's claws are bigger. Is that all?
Everyone, let's say claw.
Claw. Claw.
Good job.
Claw.
Lê Nhật Minh and Minh Thức,
Claw.
let's say claw.
Claw.
Claw, yes. Lê Nam Hải nào. Nguyễn Ngọc Vinh. Lê Nguyễn Ngọc Vinh, let's say claw.
Claw.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah.
Yes, good.
There's still one more.
One more.
Really?
No difference. Do you know? What's this?
Oh, it is your beaks, isn't it?
Yes. My beak is black, but his beak is white.
Everyone, let's say beak.
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 Good. Remember the ending sound.
Beak.
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 Very good. Minh Vũ and Lê Gia Bảo, let's say beak.
Beak.
Okay, Ngọc Quân, Ngô Cao Minh, can you? Beak.
Beak. Beak.
Good job. Thái Hoàng Luân, Thanh Lam, let's say beak. Can you? Tuấn Hưng nào? Tạ Tuấn Hưng and Tâm An. Can you say beak? Yeah, so everyone, one more time. Beak.
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 Well done.
Beak.
Ricky,
Yeah?
I think we should go before the weather gets tough.
Oh yes, we need to go.
The weather forecast says that it will be cold this afternoon.
Oh, this
Take care.
Don't worry. Our feathers help us keep warm.
So everyone, let's say feather.
Feather. Feather.
Feather. And remember, the feathers help us keep warm. Okay? The bird said, yeah? So, now, who can help me to say the sentence? Our feathers help us keep warm. Phùng Khánh Linh and Tạ Kim Ngân. Can you? Phùng Khánh Linh, Tạ Kim Ngân. Our feathers.
At the feather. And the feather.
Feathers help us keep warm. Help us keep warm.
Feather.
Feathers. And can you say the whole sentence? Quỳnh Anh and Phan Tiến Dũng. Say the whole sentence for me. Our feathers help us keep warm. Help us keep warm. Okay? Nice. Good job.
You take care too. Remember to take your coat with you if you go out.
I will. Hope to see you again.
Goodbye.
Hey, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Rio. Goodbye, Ricky. Yeah. Now it's time for you to practice vocabulary. Huh?
Vocabulary. Wing.
Everyone, one more time. Easy, right?
Wing.
Wing. Now the whole class, let's say wing.
Wing.
Yeah, good job. Now
Wing.
the sentence.
A bird has 2 wings.
One more time.
A bird has 2 wings.
A bird has 2 wings.
Good job. Trần Gia Hân and Trần Gia Bảo, can you? A bird has 2 wings. Now let's say
A bird has wings.
Wings. Yeah, 2 wings. Tống Anh Minh and Tống Gia Bảo, let's say
A bird
has 2 wings.
A bird has 2 wings.
Perfect. Yeah. Now the next one.
Claw.
Yeah. Now listen, everyone.
Claw.
Claw. Yeah. Not cloud. Okay. Claw. Claw.
Claw.
Ngô Thị Hồng and Thùy Lâm. Let's say claw. Claw. Trần Anh Duy and Thảo Nguyên. Sorry. Trần Anh Duy, Thảo Nguyên. Can you? Claw.
Claw.
Yeah. So in Vietnamese, how can you say? Everyone, in Vietnamese is?
Móng vuốt. Móng vuốt.
Yes, right. Now listen to the sentence.
This bird has sharp claws.
One more time, everyone.
This bird has sharp claws.
Okay.
This bird has claws. This bird
well
has
done.
claws.
Tạ Thanh Vân, Tăng Thanh Hà. Can you? This bird has sharp claws. Okay. Rồi, can you? Phong and Quang. Let's say this bird has
sharp claws.
Yeah, well done. So everyone be quiet, please. Yes, okay, well done. Now, the next one. Sharp claw, right?
Head.
Head, easy. Everyone, let's say.
Head.
Bird has a small head.
Now, listen to the sentence.
This bird has a small head.
Okay.
This bird has a small head. Bird has a small head.
Yeah, good job, everyone. Thị Gia Bảo and Phạm Thị Ngọc Mai, can you? This bird a small head.
A small bird had a small head.
Head. Yeah, head.
A small bed.
Well done. Nice.
Eye.
Okay, easy. Eye. Everyone say
Eye.
eye.
Eyes.
Yeah,
Eye.
1 eye and 2
Yellow.
eyes. Very good.
This bird has yellow eyes.
Listen one more time.
This bird has yellow eyes.
Okay, everyone.
Feather.
Feather.
Feather. Feather. Feather. Feather.
You're done.
Feather.
Tất Thắng and Thảo Linh. Can you say?
Feather.
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 Feather. Good. Phạm Quỳnh Chi. Vân.
Vân gì hả cô?
Phạm Thanh Vân.
Feather.
Feather. Yes.
Feathers.
Good. Phạm Nhật Thành, Phạm Xuân Lâm. Can you? Heather. Okay. Now listen to the sentence.
Parrots have colorful feathers.
Parrots have colorful feathers. Nào. Vũ Phương Chi, Vũ Tuấn Kiệt. Can you? Parrots. Sentence for me. Parrots have colorful feathers. Vương Huỳnh Khánh. Sorry, Vũ Đặng Thái Hà and Vũ Đình Việt Anh. Can you say the sentence for me? Parrots have
colorful feathers.
Feathers. Okay, well done. Vũ Phương Chi nào. Can you? Phương Chi. Parrots have. Huỳnh Vân Khánh. Can you? Parrots. Are you there? Vũ Ngân Khánh nào. Ngân Khánh, can you? Sentence for me. Parrots have. Are you there?
Colorful feathers.
Remember the ending sound, right? Feathers. Right. The next one is
Beak.
Now everyone, let's say beak.
Beak.
Remember the ending sound.
Beak.
Good job. Yeah.
This bird has a red beak.
Okay, everyone.
This bird had a red beak.
Yeah, bravo. Vũ Hiền My, Vũ Đức Duy. Let's say bird red beak. Can you? Phạm Xuân Vinh, Vũ Anh Thái. Can you?
This bird has a red beak.
Good job. Đức Mạnh and Quách Đức maybe. Can you say the sentence? This bird
has a red beak.
Very good. Right. Now the next one.
Tail.
Listen.
Tail.
Okay. Tail. Listen.
Tail is red.
Now be quiet and listen, everyone. Now listen.
This bird's tail is red.
Vậy
Tail is red. Bird tail is red. Bird tail
is red. Okay.
Tail is red.
Very good, Dương Minh Châu and Duy Phong. Let's say this bird's
tail.
And,
this bird's tail is red.
Okay, Thiên Phú, Gia Minh. Let's say this bird's tail is red.
This bird's tail is red.
Okay, better.
Tail is red.
Okay, good. Now the last one.
Leg.
Listen.
Leg.
The whole class, let's say.
Leg.
Well done.
A bird has 2 legs.
Okay, one more time.
A bird has 2 legs.
A bird has 2 legs. Now.
A bird has 2 legs.
Bravo, everyone. Okay, good job. Now, from can you?
Claw.
Sorry.
Wing.
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 Well done.
Wing.
Yes. Okay. And the next one?
Beak.
Big.
Good job.
Tail.
Yeah.
Leg.
So now, everyone, it's time to play a game. Yeah? You want Yes.
Yes.
Play. Can you see my screen, everyone? Can you see my screen? Yes. So the name of the game is Where's the Cheese? Where's the Cheese? Now, firstly, everyone. Okay, we review the parts of the bird. Now, number one, Da Linh and Hải Anh. Number one, what is it? Number one?
It's I.
Hi, well done. Okay, now, Đức Toàn and Gia Khánh. Number two.
Ui.
Number two is?
Can I please?
Wing, yes, okay. Now, Hương Chi and Hồ Thanh Tùng. Number three? Number three? Heather, well done. Hương Quỳnh and Huy Khánh. Number four? Number four? Hoàng Linh Đan nào? Hoàng Nam? Number four?
Tail.
Tail.
Tail,
Okay.
tail.
Tail,
Sorry,
yes.
tail.
Okay, tail. That's right. Now, number five. Đức Dương and Huy Phát. Đức Dương and Huy Phát. Number five. Easy. Ding, ding, ding. What's it? The number five.
It's her.
Head. 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 Okay. Diệp Chi, Gia Linh. Number six. Mai Chi or Chi Mai. Châu Tiến Minh. Number six is number six. Let's say big. Big. Okay. How about seven? Seven, everyone. Seven.
Claw.
Yeah, claw. And the last one, number eight. Number eight is
Leg.
now, everyone, open your chat box, please. Everyone, open your chat box, please. Yeah. You type your answer in the chat box. A, B, C, or D. Okay. And who had the correct answer will choose a doll to help Jerry to find the cheese. Okay. Now, question number one. Go. Question number one. Now, let's see. Now, be quiet, everyone. So, what are the missing words? Birds have ... Which have them to keep warm or ... Now, go. A, B, C, or D. Vân Tùng B. Okay. Kim Ngân Tất Thắng. Yeah. B. Mạnh Hùng B. Yeah. Now, let's check, everyone. Let's check. Very good. Well done. Now, Cao Hải Lâm. Cao Hải Lâm, can you help me to say the sentence? Birds have... Hải Lâm nào. Are you there?
Cô bảo các bạn dừng lại.
Ok, rồi các bạn ơi, khi cô đã đưa ra đáp án đúng rồi thì dừng lại
Cô
nha.
dừng lại.
Lát nữa. Ok.
Cô.
Be quiet, everyone. Yes. Now, Lê Duy Phong nào. Duy Phong, can you help me please to read the sentence? Birds have which help them to keep warm or cool. Yeah, well done. Now, question number 2, everyone. Question number 2. Firstly, you choose. Okay, everyone, 1, 2, or 3. Lê Anh Quân, please. Number 1, number 2, or number 3?
2.
2?
Yes.
Oh no. Lê Vũ Bảo Ngân. 1 or 3?
3.
Yes. Okay. Good job, everyone. So now let's move to question number 2. Let's go. What letters are missing? A, B, C, or D? Let's go.
D.
Yeah, Tất Thắng, Phúc An, Anh Duy, Đa Bảo. Oh, most of you chose A, right? Now let's check. Yeah. Now Minh Khang and Kian. Can you say legs? Can you say the words legs? Các bạn ơi, các bạn chú ý là khi cô đã đưa ra đáp án rồi thì chúng ta dừng lại và không gửi câu trả lời vào trong ô chat nữa nhá. Okay?
Legs.
Yeah, head. Very good. Now. So now, 1, 2, or 3. Lê Anh nào. Lê Anh.
1.
1. Can you see? Uh-oh. Khánh. Mai Khanh nhá. 2 or 3?
2.
2. Yeah. So you found the cheese. Okay, very good. Now, question number 3, everyone. Now, number 3. What letters are missing? A, B, C, or D? Let's go. Anh Duy, Nhà Phúc An, Trung Phong, Hải Ninh, you chose D. Very good. Kim Ngân, Gia Bảo, Cường, D. Okay, so all of you chose D, right? Now, let's see. Good job. Yeah. So everyone, let's say tail.
Tail. Oh.
Very good. Now, oops. Huy Lâm now. You choose 1, 2, or 3. The door number. Number 1.
Cô còn rất nhiều, còn mấy con lát rồi cô ạ.
Okay. Yeah. Good.
Cô.
Yeah, number 1. Now, the last question, everyone. The last question. What letters are missing? A, B, C, or D? Let's go.
B.
Mạnh Cường, Đoàn Huy, Tuệ Lâm. C, Bảo Ngân. Let's check.
C.
The whole class, can you say feather?
Feather.
Wow, good job. Now,
Please.
Mạnh Cường or Cường. Công Vinh. What door do you like? Which one? Which door you want to choose? 1, 2, or 3? 3?
Ôi cô, mấy con lát rồi cô ơi.
Okay. Uh-oh, not number 3.
1.
Number 1.
2.
Uh-oh, so that means number 2. Yes. You did a very good job, everyone. So now, let's see what we have learned today. Yeah, the last part. Summary.
Let's look at what we have learnt today. Birds. Eye.
Eye.
Wing.
Wing.
Feather.
Feather.
Tail. Head.
Hey, wing feather, tail, head, beak,
Vậy thôi.
head, tail, feather, wings, eye.
Thì 4, 6, 1, 8 này.
Okay. Now everyone be quiet and look at the screen. Okay. Now the first one, what is it, everyone?
Big.
Emotional. And this one?
Tail.
4, 6, 1, 8 này.
How about this one?
Feather.
Very good. And very good, everyone. So now, yeah, so I will have you to log in the ITO system. Nào, bây giờ các bạn sẽ nghe cô hướng dẫn lại cách chúng ta để vào chương trình ITO. Okay. So wait for a few seconds. Rồi, các bạn sẽ đợi cô một chút nha. Rồi. Ok, các bạn ơi, chúng ta sẽ truy cập vào trang web online.ismart.edu.vn. Sau đó các bạn sẽ gõ tên đăng nhập. Ok, rồi cô sẽ lấy một ví dụ nhá. Ok, rồi và chúng ta gõ mật khẩu đăng nhập. Rồi, trong phần ITO thì chúng ta sẽ có thể ôn tập lại bài học ngày hôm nay. Ok. Chúng ta sẽ xem lại đoạn phim nhé và cô sẽ hướng dẫn qua lại cho chúng ta nào. Ok. Rồi. Rồi, sau đó các bạn sẽ chọn gì nhỉ? Ôn tập kiến thức. Ôn tập kiến thức. Và chọn gì? Chương trình iSMART. Và sau đó các bạn sẽ chọn môn học. Nếu chúng ta ôn lại toán, chúng ta sẽ chọn gì nhỉ? Mục tí Maths. Còn nếu mà chọn khoa học thì chúng ta sẽ chọn Science. Rồi, khi mà vào chọn xong, chúng ta nhìn trong khung chương trình sẽ thấy tên của bài học. Bài học ngày hôm nay của chúng ta là Birds. Các bạn sẽ tìm bài có tên là gì nhỉ? Birds. Khi chúng ta vào nội dung của bài học thì chúng ta sẽ nhìn thấy các mục như là vocabulary, chính là gì nhỉ? Ôn tập lại từ vựng. Ta sẽ được nghe cách đọc và đọc theo. Tiếp theo là phần lecture, chúng ta sẽ được xem lại video bài giảng ngày hôm nay. Và phần practice là gì nhỉ? Luyện tập, phần luyện tập chơi trò chơi. Ok. Rồi, hy vọng là với hệ thống ITO thì sẽ hỗ trợ cho tất cả chúng ta ôn luyện thêm ở nhà và nhớ bài học hơn. Okay, everyone. So today you did a good job. Yeah, bravo. So it's time to say goodbye. Yeah. Now, everyone, let's say goodbye. Yeah, see you next week. Okay. Bye, everyone. Goodbye.
Goodbye,
Trời ơi, 4, 6, 1, 8 này. Mẹ.
Okay, goodbye.
Goodbye.